Hello all. We are passionate individuals from a very well-known design school, that is Indian School of Design and Innovation, Parsons, Mumbai. The team members consist of myself, Siddhartha Dambe, third year strategic design management student, Rugved Deshpande, final year product design student, Prathamesh Narvekar, final year product design student, and Sujit Chauhan, final year product design student. We have come together to reimagine the new scenarios and identify problems with respect to the lockdown. As we all are aware that the isolation and the fear in this lockdown era are driving nervousness among many people. Not just people have pre-existing conditions such as depression, anxiety, but also the elderly who are struggling with the new levels of loneliness and helplessness. Many times elderly people live on their own and there is no one to take care of them. In this situation of lockdown, it's very difficult for them to go out and get daily essentials, as well as they still have to visit the banks physically for depositing checks, as many elderly people are unaware and don't know how to use the online banking transaction services. There are many senior citizens who live alone and feel isolated as there is no human contact which they can experience. Assessing the above issues, we have considered this problem to be solved urgently and we have chosen senior citizens as our target user. Our team has come up with an end-to-end productized service design solution which will enhance the experience of the target customers. It is a portable device that serves the purpose of banking transactions such as cash and check withdrawal at the doorstep for all the senior citizens. We have also redesigned the ICICI Bank application by adding new features that will allow the senior citizens to easily access the portable ATM services. Senior citizens can avail of the doorstep ATM service by just using the bank application. They can use the bank application for booking the date and the time slot to avail the ATM services. They can also access the bank employee details for the same. The main attributes of the product are portability, accessibility, and simplicity. The name of the product is Transys, which symbolizes easy accessibility for senior citizens. The product allows the senior citizens to easily access the ATM services at doorstep without even them visiting the ATMs or the banks physically, which in turn reduces the human efforts. This productized service would enhance the customer service experience, adoption, customer satisfaction, and net promoter score. By using this service, the market credibility and the market share of the banks will increase. Hence, our team thoroughly enjoyed working on the innovation challenge. It was a great experience interviewing the users and getting to know their experiences. Being design students, we have learned not to be situation dependent, but instead challenge the situation, find the root cause, and design better experiences for the masses. Lastly, as said by Team Brown, design is all about learning from doing. That's how we evolve to the best solution. Thank you.